Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to see birthdays on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to see birthdays on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to see your friend's birthday. And from over here, in order to proceed, at the top left corner of your screen you can see your Snapchat profile picture or Bitmoji avatar. Tap on that, and on this section of your account on Snapchat, guys, scroll down until you can find the friends tab where it says my friends. Tap on it, and if anybody of your friends or any one of your friends had a birthday, or if it was their birthday, there would be a cake icon available over here at the right side of your friends tab. Just like you can see, there is a my AI over here, and at the right side of that tab there is a bot icon available for that contact. So if any one of your friends had their birthday, at the similar place at the right side there would be a cake icon available for us in the friends list. And this is the way you can see birthdays on Snapchat directly on your friends list, or you can just go to their account. So you can see, guys, I just tap on this friends account and this interface will appear. Tap on their name at the top of the screen and your account will open. Scroll down, where at the bottom of the screen you will be able to find the charms option available for over here. Now if it was their birthday, there would be a birthday charm just like all these charms over here. And these are the two ways you can see birthdays on Snapchat. And there, guys, this is how to see birthdays on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.